Hey guys, today I have a matching Maytag washer and electric dryer set. Right now we're going to get this one set up here. Normal cycle, one rinse, deep water wash. Got it set with a pretty heavy load of towels, some bath towels, hand towels, shop towels. And essentially what I've got here is an extra one of these lid strikers plugged in right here, so that it thinks the lid is closed and we can see what's going on. We've got the center agitator, huge basket. This is a full basket's worth of towels, and as you can see, still plenty of room in there. Though I wouldn't really recommend loading it up more than about 3/4 the way as the manual recommends. You don't want to overload your washer, but this is a full load of towels here, and it looks roomy in there. So definitely a larger capacity washer. And it's going to go ahead and fill all the way up with water. So what I'm going to do is come back and show you that it fills all the way up with water, agitates like it's supposed to, drains the water out, and has a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. All things you'd check as if you were standing here yourself checking it out. You get to see that everything's working perfect on it. That way you know when you get it home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. Every item I sell, I do a little video like this, just so everybody's on the same page. Then once the washer's all done, move the clothes over to the dryer, show you that the dryer's working perfect. Alright, so it just stopped, switched over to wash. Should be done adding water at this point. Might stop and add a little bit more water as it goes along, but just about full submersion on those towels. It's getting started agitating. Of course, the agitator will use several different methods, speeds and pulsing, to get those clothes to vortex down the middle and back out the sides. We're doing an excellent job getting started. Moving right through the wash cycle. Alright, moving out of the wash cycle, draining that water out nice and fast. Once it's done draining the water out, it is going to spin to extract the used up water. Then it'll fill back up for the rinse cycle. Then it'll drain that out, and we'll be on to the final spin cycle, which is what I'll come back for next. Show you that it's nice, fast, and smooth. Alright, final spin cycle. It's getting started. You can hear it running the drain. Getting up to speed. This is its second round spinning, and sometimes they'll spin up to 3 times, just depends on how heavy the load is, but I imagine it'll get this one in 2, even though it's a super heavy towel load. As you can see, spinning nice and fast. Smooth operation. And obviously, once again, just normally you wouldn't be able to open this, but we've got an extra one of these guys down in there making the machine think that it's locked here. So we'll let that go ahead and finish up. We'll move over to the dryer next. Alright guys, now we've got the washer all cleaned out. It's done and good to go. We've got the dryer running. Got it set time dry, high heat. And you can turn a little cycle signal switch on or off if you want it to buzz at you. Got your lint trap right here, and make sure that gets cleaned before each and every load. I've got some additional background noise here. We've got a laser engraver running over in the background, so if you hear that high-pitched noise, I apologize about that. But yeah, the dryer, can't even hardly hear it running. Nice quiet operation. I'm going to show you that it's heating like it's supposed to, so right in between those 2 red dots. Surface temperature measurements, about 80 on top of the dryer, about 68 on the floor. Open this up. Right in there, you can see plenty of heat coming out of the heating element tube. That in turn is going to mix with the clothes, go out right there where the lint trap would catch any additional lint out the back of your dryer. Nice bright light on the inside. Just hit start. Let that finish up. Go ahead and get these listed up for sale. Now you know everything on them works perfect. Get it home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.